Choosing a shipping agent who will ship your products can be scary, especially if it's your first time. Let me walk you through 4 different things to consider when choosing a shipping agent or a shipping company. Number 1, trust and reliability. Make sure the shipping agent is trustworthy to handle your goods. Do prior research on his previous businesses. Look for reviews from previous customers. If they are positive, then yes, he can be trusted. If you hear complaints of missing or stolen packages, move on. He can't be trusted. Number 2, location. Make sure the shipping agent has a well-established physical location where you can go and make inquiries or even file complaints. You don't want to deal with someone without a physical location. Number 3, make sure the agent is good at communication. He should update you regularly about your consignment. Otherwise, you'll be very frustrated if there is no communication coming from him. Number 4, your shipping agent should provide competitive rates. Otherwise, he will eat into your profits and you'll be making losses. You need to do thorough research and compare with other shipping companies to get someone with good rates, because there are always good shipping companies with a good reputation but still affordable. If you want to learn everything about shipping, make sure to watch my other video. The link is in the description below. Peace. See you in the next one.